Hello. Yes, guys, this is a video in English in which I will explain you the playtime games. So, what are the topics which we are going to cover in this video? The first and foremost, how does the playtime work? What are the things which we should do and what are the things which we should not do? The second thing which comes in our mind is how many coins will I get? The third problem, the third most common problem that people are facing right now is that I am not getting any new games. We will cover that as well. The fourth problem is playtime game is not opening. At the end, we will cover how to earn more coins with playtime. So, all these topics are to be covered in this video. Make sure that you guys watch the entire video to understand how you guys can actually earn more with playtime games. So let's get right into the video. So first you have to obviously open the mgamer app, and once you open the mgamer app you will see the option of playtime games. As you can see on the screen right now, on the top after the points we can see playtime games. We have to click on the playtime games, and if you are a new user, absolutely new to the application, you will have to grant permission. Once you grant the permission, it will help other applications to track your game and how much you are playing, and according to that the coins will be given. And don't worry, this is a easy process and it is very secure. First, open the playtime games. Second, give permission. Third, once you have given the permission, you will see list of games. Let me show you how are we going to see available games. So once you open the playtime game, you will see a application or a game to download. Right now, as you can see, it's showing Board Kings, and it has 106 coins. It will give me 106 coins in just 1 minute. So let me show you guys how to install it. Play for a minute and let's come back to see if we are getting the coins or not. Let's go. Let me show you this, and please watch the entire video in order to understand how this actually works. So once we click on play now, it will redirect us to the Play Store. From Play Store we can directly click on install. Let's install this game. Let's play this for a minute. Let's see if we are getting the coins or not. As you can see, it is of 89 MB. Let's download it. Let's click on play, and as you can see the game has started. We will do play as a guest. It's loading. We have to accept and play. Obviously we have to accept their terms and conditions. So let's play this game for a minute or so. This is not a hard game, this is a very easy game. You don't have to use your mind or anything. You just have to follow the instructions shown on the screen. As you can see, I have never played this game before. I am playing it for the first time, very first time, in front of you guys. And it's very easy. You just have to do tap tap and you are Gucci. See, as you can see, we have got a notification. Here we go, guys. As you can see, so as you guys can see on the screen, we just received 106 coins just by simply installing the game and playing it for 1 minute. I hope you guys get my point. How are we going to earn coins with playtime games? Let me show you another game by installing a new game, and let's check if we still get the coin or not. Let's go. So as you can see, we have 246 points, and let's install another game and see if it is working or not. Let's click on playtime games. We are being able to see different games. I have clicked on play now. You can see it is installing. Once it is installed, we will play it. Let's see if we get the coins again. Let me skip the part of playing and installing the game. So the game has been started, and I will skip the part where I play the game and directly show you how did I get the coins. or even did I get the coins or not. Let's accept and play. So on the top you can see I've just received 57 coins just by installing this game, and I don't even think I have played this game for 1 minute or so, and I just received the coins plus 57 in our mgamer account. So this is the thing which I wanted to show you guys, and how you can earn with playtime games. How much you can earn it depends totally on you, how much time you give to the game. Now let me show you things which you should not do. As you can see on the screen, I am showing you few things which you should not do. So the first thing is, never use a VPN. Guys, never use a VPN or any tricks or any hacks, and I can assure you that if you use any VPN or anything, your account is going to be permanently banned. Never clear app data. Never ever clear the app data. If you clear the app data, I am sure that the playtime sections will be banned for you. So make sure that you do not clear the app data. And yes, there will be a chance that you won't get coins anytime. Means permanent ban. And you should try different games. Try playing in different sessions, and earn as much as you can just by following these rules. Now the question comes, how many coins will I get? And that is really a good question. Let me explain you. In playtime offer wall, you guys will see the list of games, and plus it will show you how many minutes you have to play and what amount of coins you will get. For an example, as you can see on the screen, here we can see Board Kings we have to install. So as you can see on the screen, we have Board Kings, we have to install this game, and right now it is showing in 1 minute you will get 106 coins. So suppose we have already played this game for like 1 minute and we have received 106 coins. The task will keep changing for the same game. So right now as it is showing 1 minute 106 coins, if you played for second time it will show you play for 5 minutes and it will give you 50 coins, 60 coins, 100 coins, whatever, it depends. So make sure to keep checking what is available and keep playing. Once you receive the coin for the particular session, make sure you can stop playing game and you can restart. You can go to the playtime section and check for the new condition and you can play that game again. You can get unlimited coins for any game there, but there can be a limit for how much coins does the advertiser provide us. Once the limit is over, the game will disappear from the playtime. I hope you are getting my point. Now people have issues asking, I am not getting any new games. So playtime, let me explain you this, that playtime game is managed by a third party network. So when the advertiser require them, and only then new games are available. So for this, make sure that you check frequently for new games. It is also possible that some games are not available for your country. So if you are from a different country, there is a chances that the advertiser doesn't want to advertise in your country. So that is the reason that you are not able to see. Now the point comes, playtime game is not opening. So let me explain you this. If you have ever tried a trick or any hacks you have tried, that can lead to a permanent ban, and that could be a reason that playtime has blocked your access. And once you are being blocked, let me tell you that it is organized by a third party, and we do not have any actions that we can handle on that platform. So I hope you are getting that we cannot do anything if you are blocked, but we are still in talks with them that they give you second chance. If you are already banned, there is a chance that you can, some people are banned, they can see the playtime games in near future. So never try to use any hacks, strips, clear data, VPN, nothing. Simply play the game and earn. So now the point comes, the last point, how to earn more coins with playtime. Let me tell you, play all the games available. Play the games until they are giving you coins. Also, let me share you this amazing thing which is called referral program. So basically what you have to do in this is you have to share the mgamer application with your friends. Ask your friends to play playtime games, and once they play the game you get 15% commission. So if your friend has installed the app from the playtime games and he has played it for 1 minute, and it is showing him 106 coins, and he will get 106 coins plus you will get a 15% commission. Yes guys, directly without doing anything. If you get 10 of your friends to install the game, they just have to play the game, install the game, and you get directly 15% commission until and unless they are playing. So this is it for this video guys. I hope I was able to clear all the doubts that are coming into your mind. I hope you guys like this video. If I was able to explain you the playtime game sections, make sure to drop a like, and if you are new, make sure to subscribe. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.